Okay, so this is the stuff that I'm using to refinish the bathtub. Ekopel or Ekopel, I'm not quite sure how to say it, by Fabric 2K. This is the second component, which I believe is the hardener. The one thing that I didn't like was in this kit, they don't send any instructions. Here's your scraper, spatula, a comb. I believe that's to get the bubbles out. And here's the other component. Ekopel. Okay, store in dry place, firmly closed container. Temperature 5 centigrade. Okay, so I gotta convert that. Do not expose to direct sunlight. Product gets frozen. It must be stored in a warm place for 24 hours before it can be used. Well, that's not a problem today. Today, it's been in the 70s, so I think that this is probably a perfect time to do this. I also need to have my blow dryer handy because that's part of the process, is using the blow dryer. And I gotta find my blow dryer. I had it right here. I think maybe I put it downstairs. But I will be back. I just wanted to show you what I was using. I got this off of Amazon. I believe I paid about $130, $129.99, something like that. Which is more than what I paid for what I used last time I did the tub. The last time I got it from, I believe, Lowe's. And it did last for 3 years. No problem. But I believe that when kids got in here, took baths, and kind of started scraping at the paint, or I'm not quite sure how it got loose, but they started peeling it and it was a total mess, so it had to be completely redone. So hopefully, they say that this will last for 20 years. Let's see, I'm about 60 now, 80. Hopefully I won't be redoing bathtubs at 80. But anyway, I'll be back.